matangkan Zaki pakai perahu kertas. Ayo lihat.
Siap. Sama tinggi, sama tinggi.
Round 3 of the MotoGP World Championship, and what a start by Marquez and Espargaro. Espargaro currently running in first place up the inside of Marquez. Bad start by Andrea Ina, and he's back down to about 6th or 7th. Espargaro got away well on the Suzuki. He leads Marc Marquez. Valentino Rossi bumped out a bit at turn 2. There's Cal Crutchlow on the LCR Honda with Andrea Dovizioso right behind him. It's Marc Marquez now leads that turn 2. Espargaro dives straight back up the inside. Honda just races past. Marquez will try and break them up very early on because of his tyre choice. Lorenzo, aggressive move on the inside of Cal Crutchlow at turn 5. Lorenzo up into 3rd place and rides around the outside. Round 3 of the MotoGP World Championship, and what a start by Marquez and Espargaro. Espargaro currently running in first place up the inside of Marquez. Bad start by Andrea Ina, and he's back down to about 6th or 7th. Espargaro got away well on the Suzuki. He leads Marc Marquez. Valentino Rossi bumped out a bit at turn 2. There's Cal Crutchlow on the LCR Honda with Andrea Dovizioso right behind him. It's Marc Marquez now leads that turn 2. Espargaro dives straight back up the inside. Espargaro leads away through turn 3. This is the fastest part of the circuit, 1 kilometer long. So it comes down towards turn 5. A Suzuki leads a Grand Prix race. Perhaps not for long. The extra horsepower of the Honda just races past. Marquez will try and break them up very early on because of his tyre choice. Lorenzo, aggressive move on the inside of Cal Crutchlow at turn 5. Lorenzo up into 3rd place and rides around the outside of Espargaro at turn 6.
Sekali. Oh, sebentar lagi siapa yang akan duluan finish? Sepertinya perahu layar akan memenangkan. Lihat itu finishnya sedekat lagi. Terlalu dekat sudah dan finish. Ternyata lebih kuat perahu layar daripada perahu boot. Dia kasihan sekali. Terima kasih.
Marc Marquez race is over. Rossi surely now will win the Grand Prix.